Hey Central Coast, we have a new division cheer that we are going to try out at STC South Roll Call. This cheer was created by our district secretary. For those of you that went to the April DCM, I hope you remember it. If not, then here's a video of UC Merced doing our cheer.
Central Coast, do we got spirit?
Yes, we do! Spirit to boast! You know why? Because we're the coast! CNH loves the most!
Who are we?
Central Coast! Coast! Central Coast! Coast!
As you can see, it's a fairly simple cheer. It's not as complicated as our Central Coast Stomp cheer that I still haven't memorized myself. I would also like to remind you all that I am still accepting divisional board apps. The divisional board offers you guys an opportunity to get to know one another and also get more involved. If you're interested in checking out one of the positions, take a look at the app that's pinned on our Central Coast Facebook page. Also, if you haven't voted yet, please vote for our next divisional theme. We have 4 very awesome choices, including Game of Thrones, Star Wars, Ghostbusters, and Doctor Who. I can't wait to see all of you this Sunday. Have a safe trip. See you at STC South.